Hey everybody, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I will show you how you can simply enable Colorblind mode in Modern Warfare 2020. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Call of Duty. Now just click here on Options, and then just click here to General, and you're gonna see right here Colorblind type, and you just want to have it enabled. And you can like choose between which one you actually want. So until you get the color correction is best fit for you and clearly as most numbers. So just choose like which one actually works for you the best. Have a great day everybody, and goodbye.